make this for Andy Goldsworthy. And I have all rocks, because he likes nature. These pine leaf things, sticks, pine cones, and bark. So all I'm going to do is make it for Andy. So first of all, I'm going to...
What shape does he put them in?
A sucker.
Spiral.
Spiral.
So you start in the middle. Start in the middle and then go. Okay.
And then
do it in a pattern if you want. You gonna do all the rocks first?
Yes. I
A
can
bunch
fill
of
it in with whatever.
Cool.
I like music. I'm gonna do some music. God, but I can already. Oh, there's both a piece of the fridge. Oh, this is cool. So I can break it and add on instead of using one big rock. Never mind. Stick right here. It's gonna lay up top.
So now we're gonna do a row with sticks.
Nope.
Okay.
I'm kind of running out of rocks. Get away, bee. No one likes you.
And just do a circle with rocks.
And
Or a circle with sticks. Look, do a circle with sticks. And then you can do it in a pattern.
And then I'm going to put this. This is a pine leaf, whatever. And then this is going to go
Right in the center.
right in the center. Yeah, I don't have even a hat, coat. I'm still burning up.
Nice today. Now
Yeah,
we can do
it's
some pine
hot.
cones. We did. Now let's do a layer of pine cones.
And then we're going to put a rock where the gaps are.
Hopefully the wind doesn't blow our pine cones away.
Oh no. So much to do.
Do some bark. It's looking pretty spherical.
That's beautiful. I'll get it.
Means like in a circle.
So is that two pieces of bark? Oh, we can like that.
Alright.
So what are we gonna do?
Yeah, that's what it looks like so far. Looks pretty cool.
It looks pretty cool. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. This is nature, actually.
Because he liked what? Working with
Nature.
Yep.
Oh, he likes working with Mother Earth or nature. Yeah. You know, here's a fun fact. Mother Earth created Mother Nature, or we wouldn't be living unless the Earth wasn't here. So now we are living because the Earth is here. So, fun fact for all you. Yeah.
It's looking pretty cool.
Yes. I'm still burning up. My gosh. It's hot out here.
It is. It's nice out though.
Hot but nice.
How big are you going to make it?
Big. Big as we could go.
This looks so cool.
nature, so I have some eggshells, because eggshells are nature.
From Easter, we had some eggshells outside. You can put them all and decorate them. You can sprinkle them however you want to do it.
And these are actually ones, because look, when I get a piece, I usually make this. Whatever one. But see how it did that crocodile thing? Because eggshells are nature, unless you didn't know that. Because they come from a hen's booty cheek. So yeah. So eggs are nature. So we want no fake eggs allowed. So what we basically want is
You had to do this for what? For your art project?
yes, for our project. And yeah.
Alright, here it is. Is this the finished project?
Yep.
Alright. There's Andy Goldsworthy Nature Spherical Shape. With
Look at the
pine
bug.
cones.
The bug.
The pine cones, rocks, sticks, pine needles.
Let's kill the bug.
Alright, that looks pretty neat.
And then, yo!